I hope the rain isn't interfering on our communications channel. A good morning, friends. Normally, when I stand in the mirror and dress myself, I ask myself the question, do I want to look like an inhabitant of Earth or an inhabitant of Middle-earth? And 100% of the time it is the latter answer, but not today. Today, I want to feel like an inhabitant of Tatooine, even though sand is coarse and rough and gets everywhere. I even made some space buns to show that today will not be my Chaos Goblin Hobbit self, but today we are going to celebrate Star Wars Day. May the Force be with you. It's actually quite easy to dress oneself as one from Tatooine, because a very lovely Ravelry user, whose name I will not try and pronounce, but here it is, has made a pattern for Rey's vest and made that pattern free as well. It will be linked in the description box. So of course, you know what we are going to do today. We are going to knit Rey of Tatooine's vest. I know that many Star Wars fans do not like the sequel movies. I am going to say about them the following. Adam Driver. Because I am not strong with the Force, I am actually going to be a decent little knitter, and I've actually bought the yarn that is recommended for this pattern. Didn't see that coming now, did you? The pattern was written for Drops Air, which I bought. It's very luxurious and soft. I wanted a white or grey yarn, but every Belgian local yarn store and web store had no more white or grey, so I went with this bluish grey instead. I'm not Rey, I'm Jente, but I'm just going to be cosplaying as her, so a little tint differently. Meh, that's not the worst crime I have committed. A question some of you might be asking yourself. A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, did they actually wear knit garments? Was knitting invented? The internet has been losing their minds over this Mon Calamari dock worker during The Mandalorian wearing this very much fisherman cabled sweater, so I think the answer is yes. If you would place me in the Star Wars universe, I would still be knitting. 100% certain. I'm having these weird new sensory experiences. Well, they're not actually new, but they are renewed. It has been... I can't even remember how long it has been that I have been knitting with needles bigger than a size 3mm. All those historic and vintage knitting projects have made my hands accustomed to very thin needles. And this is 5mm, so that's like double the size immediately. Also, this yarn is like not a traditionally spun yarn with plies. It actually, if you look really closely, I don't know, I don't think I will be able to show it, but the yarn itself already looks knitted, but it gives the look of a loopy or unspun yarn, and I'm constantly dreading that it's just going to fall apart, even though I know it will not. My mom has knitted so many garments with this yarn already. But my brain is not computing. Let's see how we get on. It's an extraterrestrial feeling. It's very alien to me. Yes, the space jokes are going to keep coming. Hello there.
General Kenobi!
I'm here to tell you that I am only this far in the pattern and I am already straying from it. And while you might say this is not the Jedi way, Only the Sith deal in absolutes. No, but what I'm wanting to say is that the pattern asked for 7 centimeters before you begin the waist shaping, but that's a bit long for me, and I mostly wear like cropped cardigans and sweaters, so I'm going to make it a bit shorter so that I will get some daily wear out of it as well. Also, the pattern is actually pretty neat. You've got to slip with the yarn in front. And I was kind of a little bit anxious that maybe my Eastern uncrossed way of doing things might interfere with that, but it did not. That gives me unlimited power. Maybe silence the radio. So yeah, I've got quite a bit of progress done and I didn't share with you guys. That was very responsible YouTuber behavior. But in other news, on the latest Star Wars celebration, they have announced that my girl Rey will get her own new movie set 15 years after the events of The Last Skywalker, and I do hope she gets Ben Solo's butt out of the world beyond worlds, and probably also the rest of him. This sweater will be finished in time for that movie, I'm quite sure.
And well, now the rebel in me is still not using an extra knitting needle or a cable kneading to make cables. So this is another attempt of me showing how I do my cables. If you can't follow what I'm doing, then just trust the force, I guess.
Wah!
And here I am trying... No. I am doing a 3-needle bind-off because do or do not, there is no try. And as you see over here, I succeeded. Jedi training completed.
Do you all also just really like playing dress up? Because I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the vibes. Or is it the force? Yes, I'm quite happy with my little cardigan, even though, of course, the Rey costume is not finished because She has like these arm warmers, sleeves that are not attached to the vest, and I have started those, but I've been quite tired in the evenings, so I didn't make enough progress for me to finish this video in time for Star Wars Day. So they're just still on my needles, and I'll probably finish them whenever I have some kind of convention to go to, which is not in the near future. So as this was the main goal for me, because I will be wearing this in combination with my daily wardrobe, I am 100% sure. I'm happy. Now it's not 100% as the picture of the pattern because my collar isn't standing up correctly. But I'm also confused as how the original pattern maker got drops air to stand up, because this is the floppiest yarn I've encountered. Also, this pattern, this look is everything. It looks so complex and so interesting, so intricate, while actually the pattern is remarkably simple. Yeah, I would highly recommend it. The shoulders with the cabling are absolutely stunning. I love the faux seams that you have to make. It's simple, but it's just a little bit extra. All that is left for me to say to you is, this is the content you are looking for. You will like, comment, or subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. May the Force be with you.